Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the film overlay transition effect in CapCut for PC. So for instance, I'm going to add some images to the track and I'm just going to add the transition and you can find the film overlay. So this is Pro Effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So add the track and adjust body direction, can apply to all the clip and see the final result. Alright, you can add effect you like, video effect, so select effect you like, sorry, liking video, adjust for version and change for the range and the speed. Right. This is basic tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.